This understanding is pivotal in grasping key concepts and enables you to engage in informed discussions with like-minded people, security professionals, or your seniors in the office on multiple topics. It may be encryption, authentication, CIA triad, zero trust model, cloud security, IoT security, etc. A valuable resource for gaining this knowledge is the comprehensive coverage provided by many industry certifications bodies. One can be CompTIA Security Plus, or you can go for say CEH. These training courses equips you with the necessary insights, and also you have a certification which you can showcase on your resume and to your potential employers. Plus, learning these topics which are covered under these certifications helps you in undertaking the associated exam. So the key areas of knowledge which is essential for a holistic understanding of general security encompass multiple things. To begin with, computer security, or say cybersecurity fundamentals. Not computer security, it comes cybersecurity fundamentals. When we say cybersecurity fundamentals, that means basics of securing computers, securing networks and securing systems, because you are not only working with a desktop or laptops, you are working with multiple kind of digital devices. You are working with a network is infrastructure which may have routers, switches, firewalls and other systems, servers, etc. Then you should have understanding of threat landscape. Understanding various types of cyber attacks and identifying those cyber threat actors, or say hackers. This is part of threat landscape. Then comes security protocols. You must have knowledge of common security protocols and you should be able to adhere to the best cybersecurity practice. Once you are a cybersecurity professional, whether you are a general or beginner, it is expected that you will adhere to the best cybersecurity practices. It also involves risk management under this cybersecurity fundamentals. Risk management meaning identify, analyze and mitigate risk in cybersecurity. It further includes strategies for countering the various kind of cyber threats, cyber crimes such as identity theft, etc. So if something is happening, you should be able to identify that, analyze that and further mitigate the risk. Next step is incident response and management. In case any security breach has happened, any data loss has happened or any event has happened, so you should have sufficient skills so that you can respond to that incident. If isolation of any hardware is required or any device is required, you should be able to do that. You should know how to respond, and then if you have to inform your IT team or cybersecurity team or cyber forensics team, these things are covered in this. Then ethical hacking basics. It involves penetration testing and ethical hacking methodologies. There are red teaming and blue teaming. I will cover these things in some other video. So you should have basics of these things. Then comes encryption and cryptography. Encryption and cryptography is something which is being used for every device. So grasping the basics of securing data through cryptographic methods. I am not asking you to learn programming using the cryptographic algorithms or methodologies, but at least you should have a basic understanding that what is happening. If you want to secure any data, then you should know if any cryptographic algorithm is being used, then you should be aware of that. Then is identity and access management. You should have proper understanding of controlling user access, or you should have, you should be able to effectively manage the identities of those users, what permissions to provide to whom, for what purpose, whether to provide certain permissions or not. So good management is required. Then comes network security. So yes, we discussed computer networking fundamentals, but when we talk about the general cybersecurity knowledge, then general computer network knowledge, or say about security, is also required. You should know, even you should have in-depth knowledge of securing networks against various threats, or say cyber attacks, because network is something like you cannot get rid of. That is a part of the infrastructure. Then comes cloud security. Basics of securing cloud-based platforms and services is must, because everything is on cloud now. Complete data is on cloud, operating systems are on cloud, softwares which we are using are on cloud. So it is important that you attain a solid understanding of general cybersecurity, so that you set a robust foundation for your long-term cybersecurity career goals. This knowledge aids you in identifying specific domain in the cybersecurity for your career path, which further will be aligned with your interest and strength. This knowledge will help you immensely. And at this stage, if you wish, you may pursue additional certifications, but that is completely optional. You may pursue certifications, or you may just like studying, you may enhance your knowledge, enhance your skills, and it becomes totally your choice how to go ahead and what to do. We at Cyberpathshala also offer cybersecurity and cyber forensics course. If you are interested, you may write to me. I will provide the email ID and WhatsApp number in the video description box. This is all for today, and do share the video with others as well.